Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar Suburban, first time on this channel, with a song called Paramore featuring Aurora. This one is a bit strange, crazy song here, but a cool one. So yeah, let's start. We need to set our capo here on the 5th fret to match up the sound with these high notes up here and these melodies. And we have 3 chords to go through here first. So let's start with the D minor. So that is the open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. Okay, then we have the A sharp 7 here. So you need to bar on the 1st fret here from the A string and down, so 5 strings. And the rest will be 3rd on the D string and 3rd on B. Alright. And then we have an A chord here, so just A. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. So those are the 3 chords. We have kind of 2 or perhaps even 3 melodies here to handle. So that is what this song is based upon. So let's go through this first. We have one main melody here. Sounds like this. Alright. So it's based upon these chords here. So let's start with the open D string. Then 2nd G. 1st E. And open E. Okay. Then you're gonna play the 2nd B together with the 2nd G. Okay. So then comes the 2nd D and the 3rd G, and then you're gonna play the 3rd B together with the 3rd E. And what I do here, I actually just bar this 3rd fret here from the G string and down, so that gives me all these notes on the 3rd fret here, G, B, and E. So I put my finger here on the 2nd fret D string, then 3rd fret G, and the 3rd fret B and E together. And I go back and play one time on the 3rd B. Okay. So far we have learned. Okay, that's the D minor part. Then comes this A sharp. Okay. And then comes the final A part here, which is the open A string, the open G string, and then you're gonna play the 2nd B together with the 1st E, and back to 2nd B. And that will be melody number 1, okay? So I'm gonna play that through for you pretty slow here so you can listen and be able to follow. So let's go. Yeah, that is 1 round of this melody. So you're gonna play that for 4 rounds here for the first verse, okay? And then after this 4 rounds in this first verse comes a chorus. This song is all about verses and choruses. So then comes this chorus. And you will play this part here. Now it's more about the chords and a little bit of a melody also. So we can call it melody number 2, even if it's a chord based part here. So it will sound like this. Okay, that is 1 round. So what you do there, for the D minor, you're gonna play 1 down and clap. And then you're gonna play a couple of notes here. Okay, it's all on the D string, so you're gonna play open D, second D, third D, back to second D, and open D. Okay, that works as a bridge from the D minor to the next chord, which is the A sharp 7. So just repeat this one. 1 down on D minor and clap. And then, okay. Then you're gonna take this A sharp 7 chord. You're gonna play 2 downs on it. I would prefer to do it more on the bass and middle strings here and avoid the higher top strings down here. Okay, so 2 downs on this A sharp 7. And then you have 2 notes to hit in this chord, and that will be the 3rd E and the 3rd B. Okay, and I hit these notes with kind of a strumming, but I really try to hit these notes on the actual strings here. So perhaps I play 2 strings at a time. So I play the B G here when I'm trying to hit the 3rd fret E string, and I play the G B when I try to hit the 3rd fret B string. So those are the 2 notes, 3rd on E and then 3rd on B. So slowly it will be like this for this A sharp 7 part. Down, down. Okay. And then I'm gonna end with 3 downs on A. You can do like I do here. I just bar the 2nd fret here from the D string and down, and try to avoid the last E string here when I'm strumming 3 downs here. So I'm playing more on the middle strings here, okay? Or you can just take the chord as it is. I feel it's a bit, since the bar, the capo is set very high up here, it will be, could be pretty difficult to fit all these fingers here in a row for this A chord, and that is why I bar the 2nd fret here. All right, but it's up to you. So to repeat this melody number 2, that we call number 2 here, it will be 1 down on D minor plus clap, and then comes this on the D string, open, 2nd, 3rd, 2nd, open, and then comes 2 downs on the A sharp 7 plus the 3rd fret E string and 3rd fret B string. And these notes I hit with my little pinky here. I release from the grip and I try to hit the notes there. And then 3 downs on A. So if we take this a couple of rounds, it will sound like this. Yeah, and so on. This one will last for 4 rounds on this chorus, and then you're gonna continue with this same melody number 2 on the next verse, which starts here in the lyrics. In our house, the quiet is loud. It's allowed, and you're gonna play 4 more rounds of that one, and then comes another chorus, and you're just gonna continue with this melody number 2 for another 4 rounds. So in total here, it will be about 12 rounds of this melody number 2. Okay, and then we are about 1 minute and 32 seconds into the song, and we are at the next verse. In the lyrics, tell me, is your father a good man? So here we need to learn a 3rd and final melody here. So this part goes like this. Okay, I played 2 rounds there. So that is how this melody goes. You're gonna play 2 rounds of that, and then you're gonna play 2 rounds of the first melody we learned. You know this one, the first one. But how do we play this third and final melody? Okay, so you're gonna play open D, then second B, first B, and open B. Okay, that is the kind of D minor parts. So again, open D, second B, first B, open B. Then come this A sharp chord here, A sharp parts. Okay, so you're gonna play first on the A string, then third on B string, third on E string, and back to third on B string. And that is the A sharp part. And the final A parts will be the open A, the second G, first E, and second B. Okay, so the full melody here, number 3, will sound like this. Alright, so I played 2 rounds of that, and that is exactly what you're gonna do here on this verse here. 2 rounds of this one, and then 2 rounds of melody number 1, the intro melody here. Alright, and after these 2 rounds of melody number 1, you will end with a final chorus, and that means 4 rounds of melody number 2, the D minor with the clap and the more strumming type of playing here. So that pretty much covers this cool and a little bit strange song from Suburban featuring Aurora called Paramore. So if you enjoy this one, please let me know and thumb up, perhaps leave a comment, and see you soon, guys. And don't forget, play tuned.